Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I wanted to talk to you about this, which is one of my latest Minerva makes. So let's get started. So as a Minerva maker, I have the option to choose different fabrics, whatever is on their list. So I wanted to make something in a solid color, and I wanted to do some kind of a t-shirt, something really simple, because it's still summer and it's still hot, and so I just wanted a quick, easy, simple project. So I chose this. Like I said, it is a cotton jersey. It is just called a Minerva Core Range Cotton Jersey, and it is in an aqua blue. And for this, I used this pattern, which is actually the pattern that I used for my tracing or not to trace video. This one is called the Wardrobe by Me Wardrobe Builder t-shirt. This is a great pattern. I don't know if you all are familiar with this or not, but I love it. It has so many different options. You can do boat neck, crew neck, V-neck, different sleeve lengths. This one I chose the crew neck, and I did the elbow sleeve. So of course I'm going to show you pictures so you know what it looks like on, but the sleeves kind of come down to the elbow. You can also, the pattern allows you to do cap sleeve, short sleeve, long sleeve, so many different options. So that's one of the reasons I really like that pattern, because it's a PDF. So if I'm going to do a PDF, I want as many options as possible. And so that is a pattern that I will trace and have traced and used many times. So that is why I chose this. I just really enjoy this. It's kind of got a little bit of a curved hem at the bottom, which is a nice feature also. That's another feature of the pattern. As far as the fabric is concerned, this cotton jersey is very comfortable. It's very soft. It washes and dries great. There's no issues with caring for the top or for the material. I do always wash my fabric before I use it, before I cut anything out, and that does include knits. Always wash them first, and I wash them and dry them just like I would once the garment's actually made. That's what I do. So however I'm going to care for it afterwards, that's what I like to try to do beforehand. And like I said, that does include knit fabrics as well. Wash them and dry them first. So this was very quick, easy to put together. Now, one thing I did on this, I just used a zigzag stitch to hold down the neck band here. I did not use a double needle. Sometimes I like how the zigzag, how it looks. On a little piece of fabric, I tested out the width and the length that I wanted. It's usually about 2.5 width and about a 2 to a 2.5 stitch length. And that's how I did all my hems on this. I just like how it looks. You know, you can do a double needle if you like, but for this I just did the zigzag stitch, and that way actually I didn't have to change the needle or do anything any differently. Like I said, it was a very quick project. I got it done probably a couple of hours total for me. But this material has very good stretch and recovery. I will leave you a link so that you can check it out yourself, because they do have several colors of this particular fabric. Now, I did also use my serger for most of the construction of the garment. Anything that I could use the serger for, I did. So basically the only thing that I think I used the regular sewing machine for was the hems and like the top stitching around the neck. Everything else was done by the serger, which is another reason that it was pretty quick to make. But now with the cotton jersey as well, because it is cotton, I also don't think that this will be too terribly hot for the last part of the summer. I think this should still be very comfortable. And doing the elbow length, I'm kind of thinking, well, you know, still be able to wear this for the first part of the fall anyway, at least. So that is it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done so already. I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.